In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Earnings Overlay. We'll walk through where to find it, how to turn it on, and how to make the markers as clear and useful as possible while you analyze a chart. Start by opening your browser and heading to stockcharts.com ACP. This is the advanced charting platform from StockCharts, and it's where you'll load interactive charts with all the features we need. Once the page loads, look for the ticker entry box near the top. Type in the symbol you want to analyze, then press Enter or click Go. Your price chart will update to show that symbol with the default settings. Next, we'll open the settings that control events like earnings. On the left side, find the Chart Design panel and click the gear icon labeled Chart Settings. This opens a detailed panel with attributes, overlays, and event options for your current chart. Think of this as the control center for everything visual on the chart. Scroll down within the Chart Settings panel until you reach the Events section. Here, check the box labeled Earnings Dates. This tells the platform to display earnings announcements right on your price chart. If you want to control where those icons appear, use the Position dropdown. Top places the earnings markers along the top edge of the chart. Bottom sets them along the bottom edge, and directly on price bars puts the markers right on top of the candles or bars. Choose the position that keeps the price action most readable for you. For example, the top or bottom options keep the price bars clean, while directly on price bars can make the timing crystal clear during busy periods. Once enabled, you'll see E icons, or a similar event marker, appear on the dates when earnings were released historically. These markers make it easy to align price gaps, spikes in volume, or trend shifts with specific earnings events. If your chart supports tooltips, hovering near a marker can help you confirm the exact date. If you don't see the icons, double-check that you're scrolled to a time frame that includes past quarters and that the earnings dates option remains checked. A quick tip: if the chart looks cluttered, try switching the marker position or zooming out slightly to view several quarters at a glance. Also, remember that the look of markers may vary by chart style and theme, but their meaning is the same. That's all you need to start using the Earnings Overlay in StockCharts ACP. Enable the markers, choose your preferred position, and use them to connect price action with earnings history.